What's up guys, Kosam here. Today is a public holiday in Trinidad. Today is the 1st of August. I'm going to do something I haven't done for a long time. I'll inshore light tackle action. This is something I love to do. I'll get up this morning. So should I go and make the mission? Feeling sleepy, feeling go back to sleep. I say nah. Life is not about sleeping, right? It can make use of the time that we have. So I'll spot I want to try. No kind of heavy fishing today, just on the side of the road. I'll put some tarpon and snook. If you catch anything is a bonus, but just being outdoors, being out here is all that you need, right? Some little refreshing the brain, refreshing the mind, catching some fish. So we're going out there, see if we catch anything. I brought 2 rods. You just need 1 rod for this, a 6-foot, 7-foot rod. A little small reel, you need nothing much, a couple of soft plastics. So we get some fish, just so having some fun and enjoying the morning. Hour and a half max, maybe an hour and a half. See if we catch anything. This is what I love to do. These inshore missions, I love to do it. This is what coastal fishing started with. So we're gonna do it this morning. Let's see if we catch anything. Fish on. No fancy fishing, you just need 1 rod. I have 2 rods because it's me, come to have some fun. New spot here, recently cleared down. I was passing a day driving by and I saw some tarpon jumping, so see what happens. Alright guys, ready? So all in is a 6-foot rod, a little spinning reel, 3000, 4000 size, and a soft plastic. What the hell was that? That sounded like a big size tarpon there. This rod go get mashed up. The thing I feel right now is my leader might be undergone. So if I get bust out, I go, hey, I now get hit there. Something big jumping up. So that Cayman was right here. Call that Cayman slide. Tarpon jump over there. I'll jump right in front here. I'll jump right there. Jump in. Real top on this little river away. They ain't hungry. Got that to eat some. There's one, a nice one. First one took a while. Oh, a nice little 2-pounder maybe. See, this is what it's all about, guys. This piece of fun right here. Seeing that tarpon jump, hooking them up, taking a release swim right here, right now. Nice, nice. What's up the video here already, but then I could have drag him up, you know, but too early to get my hands dirty, man. Hopefully he didn't wild out the rest of them fish. Got next fish one time. Oh, you want to see this one? I can try and pull out this one. This one looking small. This one good for the aquarium. fresh as it could be. Nice little small fella. Next one is like twice this size. I can get the holy next one, but this we hold one nice 2 fish. So 2 fish and a day we kind of destroy. Let me see if it will still work. I think we go 3 for 3. A rare little tap on him. Alright, no 3 for 3. So when you DOA mash up like this, right? See that mash up there? Might be swimming, right? What you could do, take it out, flip it upside down so you can stick through the bottom now. Right, let's see if it works. Try one on this side. Oh my, this is a nice one. Oh my, on the upside down DOA. Take it right next to us. We gotta fight this one a little bit. If you stay on. If you come, you kinda big. If you come up fresh. Oh, he come off. Damn it, that was a nice one. Chief off. 20-pound leader, I know that, you know. Clean cut, guys. Oh, just a nice one. Alright guys, a quick update. Like one nice one just now. We know we just fun fishing, but when you like one nice one like that, relatively, it's hurt still. So I switch up to 30-pound leader on the same white DOA because that's what we're working. I said all you need to do this type of fishing: 6-foot rod, 7-foot rod, 3,000, 4,000 size reel. This one's at 2,000. You don't need it so small. Got 3,000 size reel. I need an hour in the morning, hour and a half. Forget how my fish grips too. Coast fish grips. He's coming soon. Next one I catch out, if I catch a next one, I'll go try and hold any fish grips to show you the strength. But let me go again. This is real fun fishing for me. I love it. Real tarpon still jumping there. So like if we catch a couple more, we catch 2. You can say we catch 2 with that big one. We see we get next one like that. We see how it goes. Keep fishing, fish on. Like get back to fishing now. Alright guys, fresh leader on. Fish still jumping. Let's see if we get a next decent size one. Right there, nice one. Oh, spit it. Yeah, I got the guy. What going on?
You seen?
Hi there.
Logging?
Yeah.
Nice.
Trying a little thing.
Man.
Nice man.
Yeah.
Plenty little tarpon man.
Yeah, that's plenty. When I go right there on that side, I'm gonna get some syrup.
Huh?
I'm gonna get some syrup on that side.
Yeah, that's your real thing. Because you get hooked by jump off.
Yeah, he's put on you.
Yeah.
But he big.
Yeah, nice size.
Good in the corner.
Yeah.
Because I think they're known for that, to spit out hook.
But artificial they spit it plenty. That's a nice one. African fish stick right next to the shore here. Oh, nice one jump on here. Hook one layer. Fine, okay. So it's get Sri Kanting here often, no?
Boy, once me come by.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
But they'll be too high, you don't catch them.
Ah, okay, okay.
I had traps now. Like.
Traps are okay.
Yeah. Like you use the string and the bait.
Yeah, that's how we used to catch them, yeah, string and the bait.
But with the trap now, my trap design like a fish pot.
Right.
So
you just throw it and leave it?
Throw it and leave it for an hour, half an hour.
And pick up.
And pull up, yeah.
You know, long meat, some good seaweed, boy.
Boy,
Sweetest crab it have, boy. It has string all over. I mean, if it's crab.
And this is the thing that is carried by. I mean,
yeah.
Carry back home.
Just carry back. That's all you have to do, you know.
I do function like that. That's not me.
You bring it, just carry it back, you know.
You know what I mean? A bird might come. I just saying.
Yeah, something. Yeah.
Going in the guts, you know, something.
Something, yeah.
You're kind of destroying the environment. I don't like it. All the rubbish, everything.
Chinese.
Yeah, we're going by across on that side. We're gonna.
Yeah, watch KFC and thing. Oh gosh, just carry it back after you finish. Get your crab now, boy. Yeah, bro, pick a chap, you man.
Yeah.
I don't go.
You think it can spin on that side?
So that real small fish on the side here. Because of them tarpon feeding on them little micro green fish, mosquito fish. That's some little sardine or something there too. So the dairy might be a little big for them. But they are greedy fish, man. I think one jump right in front of you. It's really shallow, right? I need a light touch it. So onto one small problem, guys. The bag I pick up is my Tobago gears, so my soft plastics only have heavy jig heads, big jig heads. This is actually the lightest one I have right now. I did that like a 1/16. This one is a 1/8, so it should be okay. Anything is the hook is monstrous. So the smaller fish mightn't get hooked, but the bigger ones we could take them. So we're aiming for the 4-pounders now. Hopefully they still are. See them jumping further and further, not one jump right here. Find my low, find my low. Tarpon is find yourself in some places you never expect. Like you see, all this, it's a river that was recently dredged, all that came up from the river. And now it's a clear place for you to fish. Previous to that, I don't think this spot was fishable. The ground looking hard, so I think I'll walk down until where that tree in the water is down. That one like to congregate in areas like that. Like all here was probably a riverbank before. Somebody make a bridge. But that was probably higher over here. Ah, full soft spot I reached there. Surprised I didn't see no came on. I walk down there, take a 5 minutes and walk back up. All here relatively hard. First kind of soft spot there. If rain fall, you're gonna be like mush. Hey bear, hey bear, Cayman, Mr. Cayman. Any crocodiles in the area? It's a nice stick to remember where the stuff is. Ah, that bunch up right here. Alright guys, you see this tree in the water here? That's where this like blocking all the looking like lilies behind you. But this spot is like perfect gathering spot for tarpon. They love this kind of structure in the water. You don't see the jumping right there. See if we can hook one and catch it. Because if you hook one, you go wind up the whole scene. Spot. Oh my goodness. Big hook, the big hook. That sounds like a big fella there. Oh, that's a small one. I was expecting a big one. Making some boss cast. I'm striking like it's big fellas here guys because I was hoping for. Oh, it's a nice one. This one is about a tree. I can see in the sun reflection right in my eye. Alright, we're going this way. Gently pull it up. This is a nice one. So this is a nice tarpon. This one is about 3 pounds, maybe close to 4. Wholesome fish grip. Nice fella. They try and release him as fast as possible. Nice taps. Alright guys, nice tarpon here. How many fish grips? Giving him a bit of air. As soon as he kick off, we'll release him. Check him out. Silver King, juvenile Silver King. Alright buddy, you ready to go? Can't play too long here with caimans, so we just go. Yeah, that's what life is about guys. Early morning, just by yourself. In the bush, not too far from the road, catching some micro tarpon. Love it, keep fishing. Alright guys, mission accomplished for the morning. The bigger jig head definitely worked for that size of fish. That's what it's for. Nice little fight. 45 minutes of fishing so far, maybe. Can't beat a morning like that, right? You could be sleeping, or you could be catching some small tarpon. Your choice. Take a 15 minutes again. Head home. Carry a wife tax for the wife, a little breakfast. I know this corner here might have some bigger ones because they love this kind of tree in the water scenario. Alright guys, the battery just about to die on the GoPro. Gonna try and put it down on the ground, see if I hook up one last one. Excellent morning. So let's see how quick I can do this. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. I love to do this kind of fishing, a little quick intro mission. Remember, let's get out there, try something. Don't be anywhere far or anything fancy. A little rod and reel, come and try it for an hour and a half. On a Sunday morning, Saturday morning, public holiday morning. Any morning you get free. It's free the minds, make you feel much better guys. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. Thanks so much for watching. Keep fishing, fish on. Still going to try a line. The battery then we go do. Last fish to go guys. Alright guys, pretty good morning of fishing, hour and a half, catch 2 or 3, 4, I got real plenty, didn't have the correct gears, that's the problem, I didn't have the right jig heads, but the fish was real biting early on. If I had the correct jig head I might have catch 6, 7, who knows, but that's not the point. I catch a few, real good morning fishing, enjoy myself, so now I go and pay some wife tax, so there we go, doubles this morning, fish on. Alright guys, so when you go fishing on a public holiday, I take care of some wife tax. So we're gonna carry that right now. Best doubles in El Socorro right here. Best doubles in El Socorro right here. The original sauce. Watch him there. Wife tax in action. I got a little shot of your wrapping one day now.
Yeah.
And you're gonna tell me you're ready for me, right?
Yeah, go ahead now.
My 2 medium, right? Oh, you do your thing. I'll take that. 2 medium everything. Don't worry. No put no guilt and I'm gonna just message you guys, alright? So the action.
Well, I did, can't complain. But I see all the make what we good.
Yeah. Remember the best doubles in El Socorro, eh? Opposite Mohammedville El Socorro Mini Plaza. Check him out right here. Yeah. Alright guys, so wife tax in hand. Time to go fish on.